Everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Here's how to do two different types of multitasking on your iPad. Here are some of the apps that will work with multitasking: Google Drive, Google Translate, BBC iPlayer, Microsoft Apps and Twitter. All Apple apps except for Camera, Photo Booth, iTunes Store, Settings, iTunes U and iMovie. First, go into an app. It doesn't matter what app you go into. I'm going to go into Safari. Then swipe up from the bottom slowly to open this app bar. Choose one of these apps along this bar. If there isn't an app along this bar, come out of the app you are in, then select the app you want to use. For me, I'm going to select Tips, and then go back into the app you were in. For me, it was Safari. Then choose the app you want to use. I'm going to use Tips. Then hold down on it, then drag it in. Put it on the left or right side. And if you want to move it around, you need to hold down on this short, thin, grey line at the top. And let go of it when you are ready to place it either on the left or right side. And to get rid of it, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, then the background will go blurry, then swipe up from here. Here is how you know if an app can do split screen or slide over, like Prime Video. It will have a rectangular box around it, meaning it can't do split screen or slide over. Here's how to do split screen on your iPad. First, bring up the app bar. Choose the app that you are going to use. I'm going to use BBC iPlayer. Hold down on the app that you have selected and then bring it to the right side of the screen or the left side of the screen, and then drop it in the left side of the screen, making sure it looks like this. To close either BBC iPlayer or Safari, then hold down on the short, thin, grey line in the middle. By moving it either left or right, you can either open Safari or BBC iPlayer, and let go if you want to open BBC iPlayer.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.